Today, we review the best 5 lunchbox that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Bentgo Kids Children's Lunchbox. The removable compartment tray can be used to heat food safely in the microwave. To clean the lunchbox, it can go into the dishwasher, but hand washing is recommended to maintain the leak-proof design. You kids will love the fun bright colors that are on offer: blue, green, or purple. Bentgo offers a 2-year warranty on the lunchbox.
Number 2.
Original Bento Heaven Bento Box Lunchbox Bundle. Made from premium food-safe, BPA-free materials, the durable microwavable plastic lunchbox bundle is perfect for eating cold or hot foods. You can use one lunchbox for sushi and the other box with the food divider for salad and pasta, or store salad in one container and fruit in the other one.
Number 3.
EasyLunchBoxes Lunchbox Containers. As this set comes with 4 lunchboxes that have 3 separate compartments, you have loads of food versatility. You can use the larger compartment for a sandwich, a wrap that is cut in 2 halves, or pasta. Use the other 2 smaller compartments for fruit or nuts. Or use one container for dessert and fruit and the other containers for salad and fruit, or snacks like nuts, dried fruit, and biscuits. But the containers are not suitable for carrying liquids or runny foods.
Number 4.
Rubbermaid 1,806,231 LunchBlox Sandwich Kit. You can do a lot more than store sandwiches with this kit. The kit contains 4 different sized containers. You can use the 2.6 cup container for a sandwich or wrap. You can store your healthy treats in the 2 0.5 cup snack containers. All the lunchboxes are made from durable BPA-free plastic, and they are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe.
Number 5.
OSKPW28C Japanese Bento Box Set. You have a lot of food storage versatility with the 2 containers. Store rice, vegetables, or curry in the 340 ml container, and the second 300 ml container has a movable divider, so you can put sushi rolls in one compartment and rice in the other, or use it for snacks like nuts and fruit.